Here's a designer tip. How are we going to utilize all that space in the corner of your kitchen? Well, one of the more popular things is using a corner cabinet such as a Lazy Susan. Here we have a Lazy Susan here with the insert with the wheel that turns. Super popular way of utilizing your corner space here. They also make a cabinet called an Easy Reach base, which is pretty much the same cabinet, just without the mechanism that spins in the middle. You'll notice here that you get full use out of this entire cabinet, which takes away from some of those older kitchens where that's just a voided space. Another way to utilize your corner space if you don't have enough room to fit a Lazy Susan is what's called a blind base cabinet. You'll notice here that this customer has an insert in their blind base that allows for them to utilize the full space given in that back corner of the cabinet. This is a great way to get some extra storage and really utilize that dead space that you would have in some older kitchens. If you like these designer tips, stay tuned for more.